Hello and welcome to my page. In this second part of our PowerShell variables series, we'll dive into a variety of practical examples to deepen our understanding of how variables work in PowerShell. In PowerShell, local variables are variables that are confined to a specific scope, typically within a function or script block. They are only accessible and visible within that scope and are often used for temporary data storage. Global variables, on the other hand, have a broader scope and are accessible from anywhere within your PowerShell session or script. They are useful for storing data that needs to be shared and accessed across different parts of a script or multiple scripts. Let's get into ISE and explore more variables. Setting a local variable is just like setting a regular variable. In this example, we are setting a variable $var to a value which is 24. Calling that variable will give us a value of 24. The syntax for configuring a global variable is pretty similar to our previous examples about data types. We have to specifically indicate that this variable will be used as global. Once we run this code, variable 24 will be saved as global and can now be used by other PowerShell scripts. To list all the variables available, we can use the command ls variable : ***. Trying that command ls variable : ** will provide us the list of variables available. Highlight the code and hit F8 or run selection. And now we can see the var and its value 24. To remove the variable, we can use the command remove -variable, the name parameter then the variable name that we want to remove. Let's remove the global variable that we've created earlier, use the command and type the name var. Let's run the list variable to and check. Now, the variable var has been removed. We can also use the command lets as a value for a variable. Let's try. Let's use command let to check the services of my computer. Don't worry, I will discuss you this command let and piping later. For now, focus on how we are going to use the variable for this command let. Now, I want to use that variable and pipe another command that can filter the running services. Piping in PowerShell is a powerful feature that allows you to pass the output objects of one command or command as input to another, creating a seamless data flow between commands. It's represented by the pipe symbol. We now have a code with a variable that can query the running services of our computer. Before I end this video, let me just quickly show you how you use the single and double quotation marks on your string variable. This example is showing how you can define a variable that involves a quote inside a quote. As you can see, using single quotation marks won't work as PowerShell will see it as a syntax error. To correct this error, we have to use double quote for the word my. In this way, PowerShell will see this string variable as one. Remember, single quotation marks and double quotation marks are used to define strings, but they have distinct behaviors. Let's use the command let write host to show the variable value on our console window. Select the two lines and hit F8 or the run selection button. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.